Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a perfume or body spray. Perfume or body spray, no matter how powerful it may be, is made from two important materials. These materials are number 1, methanol or ethanol, and number 2, fragrance. The methanol or ethanol is colorless, while the fragrance comes in different colors depending on the type. The methanol or ethanol is used to purify and dilute the color of the fragrance so that it does not stain the fabrics on which they are sprayed. The methanol or ethanol is also used to sustain the aroma of the fragrance on fabrics. The methanol or ethanol also helps dilute the concentration of the fragrance so that it does not have any harmful effect on our clothes or body. The volume ratio of fragrance to methanol is 1 to 2. That is, 1 part of fragrance will always be required for 2 parts of methanol or ethanol. Now add your fragrance to the methanol or ethanol. Shake very well and your perfume is ready. Thank you very much for watching and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching.